Alright, so here's this American Standard XB1000 style air conditioner actually running with a low ambient kit. It's actually got a new fan motor. That feels good. It's at a Subway. There it goes. Yeah, that feels good. That one's also running. One sec here. Anyways. Yeah, here's this thing. I've filmed this before. There goes the fan again. It's pretty chilly out here, so this feels really good. I don't know if you heard me there, but it's really chilly, so that feels really good. And that thing shut off. It is 47 degrees right now, so yeah, working good. So thanks for watching.